Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can install or uninstall an application from your computer. There is different way you can install application from your computer. The first way I'm gonna show you is to use Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store, you can find it through um, this way. So first of all, you need to come here, type search, and you can type Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store is the same as Apple Store or Google Store if you're using an iPhone or you are using an Android phone. So for the computer, so we're gonna use Microsoft Store, an application that store all the apps on a computer. So I'll click open, and it will open. And this way, I will make it a bit bigger. And suppose I need to install Adobe Acrobat. So Adobe Acrobat. So Adobe Acrobat, I will click on it, and because it's already installed on my computer, so you will see that it's already there. So I'm in the way of installation. I'm installing it, and you can see that it has been downloaded. But suppose you need to have this PDF editor. As you can see here, it's free. If you click get, it will automatically install on your computer. If, for example, this PDF reader, you click install, it will already it will take like, it will depend on the size of the application, but it will be installed on your computer. The same for this Mozilla Firefox or any specific application which is free. But if it's paid, you will need to pay that application, which means you need to upload your card uh, and purchase it. But everything that you will see which is free, then you will get it for free. And let's say that you want to install Outlook, for example. Outlook. I click Outlook, but Outlook is already installed on my computer. If you click install here, so it will install automatically. But because I already have it, so it will open. But if suppose it's not installed, we get free here. You get free, and then you click on it, you get, and then it will be installed. This is the first way to install easily an application on the computer. The second way is to go and search for the specific application. So you will go to me, I'm using Chrome, but you may be using like Microsoft Edge, you may use Mozilla Firefox, Opera, any specific browser. But for me, because I'm using Chrome, so I'll open Chrome, and then I would say, let's say I need Adobe Acrobat, Adobe Acrobat Reader. So, but I need down, download for free, and for PC, I will choose this option. It will give you many options, but because you need Adobe, you will search for Adobe. So this Adobe which need to be installed. This is the one that I already like requested from Microsoft Store. So it's asking me to agree, and I clicked yes. If you are installing something and you have this pop-up to click yes, yes, you need to click yes, because it's asking the right to install that thing. And I will come to this adobe.com. So when you click on the adobe.com, so it will open, and we have an option to go to downloads, and you can download Adobe, not through the Microsoft Store, but yeah, through Adobe website. Mhm. As you can see, I have Adobe, which is already here, and I will click get Adobe, get Adobe Acrobat Reader, the original PDF solution. If I click download, it will, yeah, the link is there. As you can see, it's Adobe. Like, this is the ex file. So this is like the setup of Adobe. If I click on the file itself. So it will um, get me to open. It's gonna open this file explorer, so it will ask me to install. If I click yes, there is a pop-up. For example, you may not see it because this is for security reason. It may be hidden, but if I click yes, then it will be installed. Okay, now we have seen how we can install apps on your computer. So we're gonna see how you can uninstall an application. Suppose you have installed an application, but for example, you did it by accident and you no longer need that application. So how can you uninstall that application? The first thing, you will go to type here, or you will click on this start menu. So I will click settings. I will type settings. Settings is already here. It has this logo. In the settings, I'll look so for apps. So apps is already here. So in the apps, I will find a list of all apps that is on my computer. But on the left side, you can find that there is apps and future. You may click on it, or you may it may automatically pop up. So you may search for a specific application that you need to uninstall from here, or you can scroll down. For example, I want to uninstall Adobe. So I click Adobe. I will see all the Adobe application that I have. I have this Adobe. Here, if you click one click, so you will have option to uninstall. If I click uninstall, it will ask me this app and its rated info will be uninstalled. If I click uninstall, it will get uninstalled. Okay. And suppose I need to uninstall Outlook. The same. So if I click here, I find an install option. If I click on it, it will ask me, it will like inform me that I gonna lose everything that I have related to Outlook. Okay, this is the first thing. The second way to uninstall an application is by control panel. So you go to start here, or you go to type here to search. It is the same, and you will type control panel. Control panel will pop up. You will find programs, and under programs there is uninstall a program. So you will click on it, and then you will have a list of apps that you have, but you may search it from here. For example, I need to uninstall Adobe. If I click on it and it is selected, if an application is selected, it will be highlighted in blue, as you can see. There is an option to uninstall it. If I click uninstall, it will ask me, are you sure you want to uninstall this program? If I click yes, it will get uninstalled. Or you can do right click and then you may uninstall it. Okay, and this option that you see change on the settings, there was modify. Let's suppose there is a new version, or there is an update on Adobe. So if I click on it, it will like find online if there's uh, any recent app that of Adobe which is there, and then it will like update it by itself. This also works if the app is in crash or doesn't open, so you may use this option. As you can see, it will go through all these steps to modify or to repair or to remove, but it will be uninstalled. But this time it will be uninstalled and restored. But this time I'll not do it because this is the recent. I have downloaded 10 minutes before, 10 minutes ago, so I'll not do it. So click cancel. Yes, click yes, and then I hope I have shown you how you can install and uninstall a program. So if we revise it, if I make it short, if you want to install an application from your computer, you need to go to Microsoft Store that you can access from the start, and you can uh, you can go look for it and install an application. This is the first way. The second way is to use your internet browser. You search for it, you download it, and if you need to uninstall, you need to uninstall an application by going through settings or control panel. Okay, I hope this video will be useful for someone who may face this issue, and I hope to see you in next video, and keep blessed. Bye.